Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to delve into a practice that is as ancient as the earth itself, yet is now being illuminated by modern science: mud therapy. You might also hear it referred to by its more technical name, pelloid therapy. At its core, this is a therapeutic modality that harnesses the potent natural properties of mineral and organic rich mud to bring about profound physiological changes in the body. For centuries, cultures around the world have recognized the healing power of specific types of mud, applying it to soothe ailments, rejuvenate the skin, and promote overall wellness. But this isn't just a historical curiosity, it's an increasingly evidence-supported treatment. The central focus of mud therapy is its remarkable ability to modulate inflammation, a key driver of countless chronic diseases, and to support the body's innate detoxification pathways. So how does simple mud accomplish this? It's not just about getting dirty. The magic lies in a complex interplay of interconnected mechanisms. Therapeutic mud acts on the body through thermal, chemical, mechanical, and biological pathways simultaneously. The sustained heat it provides warms tissues deep beneath the skin, while its rich cocktail of minerals and organic compounds are absorbed, triggering a cascade of beneficial cellular responses. Over the next few slides, we will explore each of these mechanisms in detail, uncovering how this ancient tradition offers a sophisticated, holistic approach to health and healing in the modern world. To truly understand how mud therapy works, we first need to look at its composition. It's crucial to recognize that not just any mud will do. The therapeutic mud or pelloid used in these treatments is a very specific and complex substance. It's a rich matrix formed over thousands of years, combining inorganic and organic elements into a potent healing medium. The inorganic components are a treasure trove of essential minerals and trace elements. We are talking about things like magnesium, which is critical for muscle function and relaxation, calcium, vital for cellular signaling, and zinc, a key player in immune function and skin health. These minerals are present in a bioavailable form that can be absorbed through the skin. On the organic side, we find incredibly important compounds known as humic and fulvic acids. These substances are derived from the decomposition of plant matter over millennia and are renowned for their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They are nature's chelators, capable of binding to toxins and supporting their removal. Furthermore, the physical structure of the mud itself is key. It's composed of fine particles suspended in water, which gives it a high capacity for heat retention. This allows it to act as a thermal agent, delivering sustained, gentle warmth deep into the body's tissues, a mechanism we will explore in our next slide. It is this unique synergy, the combination of minerals, organic acids, water, and heat-retentive properties that makes therapeutic mud a powerful, multifaceted tool for health. Now, let's focus on one of the most immediate and powerful effects of mud therapy: its thermal action. As we have mentioned, therapeutic mud has an exceptional ability to absorb and retain heat and then to transfer it slowly and evenly to the body over a sustained period. When this warm mud is applied, it raises the temperature of the skin and the underlying tissues. This triggers a physiological response known as vasodilation, which is the widening of blood vessels. Think of it like opening up the highways of your circulatory system. This increased diameter allows for a significant improvement in blood flow to the treated area. And with increased blood flow comes a host of benefits. First, it means enhanced delivery of oxygen and vital nutrients to the cells, which is essential for tissue repair and healthy function. Second, this improved circulation is more efficient at carrying away metabolic waste products and inflammatory waste products that can accumulate in tissues, particularly in areas of chronic pain or injury. This flushing effect is a crucial step in reducing inflammation and promoting healing. On a more direct level, the sustained warmth has a profound effect on the musculoskeletal system. It helps to relax tense and contracted muscles, alleviate stiffness in joints, and reduce pain signals. This is why mud therapy is so often used for conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, and back pain. The thermal effect is not just a feeling of comfort, it's a catalyst for deep physiological changes that reduce pain and calm inflammatory stress. While the thermal effects are impressive, the benefits of mud therapy go deeper, down to the chemical and biological level. This is where the rich composition of the mud truly shines. As the warm mud opens up the pores, the skin becomes more permeable, allowing for the transdermal absorption of those vital minerals we discussed earlier: magnesium, calcium, zinc, and others. These aren't just passive substances, they are active participants in our cellular biochemistry. For instance, they act as cofactors for enzymes and play a crucial role in maintaining cellular stability and communication. Critically, these minerals influence the regulation of cytokines. Cytokines are signaling proteins that are central to the inflammatory response. In chronic inflammatory conditions, cytokine production can become dysregulated, leading to a state of persistent low-grade inflammation. The minerals in the mud can help modulate this process, encouraging a more balanced and appropriate inflammatory response. Then there are the organic powerhouses, humic and fulvic acids. These compounds are potent antioxidants. To understand why this is important, we need to talk about oxidative stress. This is a state where there's an imbalance between damaging free radicals and the body's ability to counter them. Oxidative stress is a fundamental driver of chronic inflammation and cellular aging. The humic and fulvic acids absorbed from the mud act like scavengers, neutralizing these harmful free radicals, thereby protecting cells from damage and directly reducing a primary source of inflammation. So while the heat works on a macro level, these chemical and biological actions are working at a microscopic level to restore balance and promote healing from within.
Beyond reducing inflammation, mud therapy is highly regarded for its ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. It accomplishes this through three primary mechanisms. The first is a fascinating process called adsorption. Note that this is different from absorption. While absorption is about taking something in, adsorption is about binding things to a surface. The clay particles within therapeutic mud have a negative electrical charge and a highly porous structure, essentially acting like a molecular magnet. This structure gives it a vast surface area that can attract and bind to positively charged toxins such as heavy metals and various environmental pollutants, pulling them out of the skin's pores. The second mechanism is more direct: sweat-mediated excretion. The thermal effect of the mud application naturally induces sweating. Our skin is our largest organ, and sweating is one of the body's primary pathways for eliminating waste products and toxins. The sustained heat of the mud pack encourages a deep, purifying sweat, helping to flush out substances that may have accumulated in the body. The third, and perhaps most systemic mechanism, is the enhancement of lymphatic flow. The lymphatic system is our body's internal sanitation network, responsible for clearing out cellular waste, pathogens, and toxins. The combination of sustained heat and the gentle pressure from a mud pack can stimulate lymphatic circulation. Improved lymphatic drainage means the body becomes more efficient at filtering and removing waste, which not only aids detoxification but also reduces the burden on the immune system. Through this powerful trio of adsorption, sweating, and lymphatic stimulation, mud therapy provides comprehensive support for cleansing the body. While many of the benefits we've discussed occur deep within the body, mud therapy also has profound and visible effects on the skin itself. Our skin is more than just a covering. It's a complex, dynamic organ that serves as a first line of defense against the outside world. This defense is known as the skin barrier function. A healthy barrier prevents excessive water loss, keeping the skin hydrated, and blocks pathogens, allergens, and irritants from entering the body. Mud therapy directly supports this vital function. The minerals it delivers are essential building blocks for healthy skin cells, and the process itself helps to exfoliate dead cells and improve hydration, leading to a stronger and more resilient barrier. But there's another invisible layer of protection on our skin, the microbiome. This is the diverse community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live on our skin's surface. A balanced and diverse microbiome is crucial for skin health. It helps to train our immune system, crowds out harmful pathogens, and even produces beneficial compounds for our skin. The rich organic matter and mineral content in therapeutic mud can act as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial microbes and helping to restore a healthy balance to the skin's ecosystem. By strengthening the physical barrier and modulating the living microbial barrier, mud therapy can be incredibly beneficial for a range of dermatological conditions, from acne and eczema to psoriasis. It addresses these issues not just symptomatically, but by restoring the fundamental health and ecology of the skin. The effects of mud therapy extend far beyond the localized area of application, creating a cascade of benefits that impact the entire body, particularly the nervous and endocrine systems. First and foremost is its analgesic or pain-relieving effect. This is partly due to the thermal properties we discussed. Heat relaxes muscles and blocks pain signals. However, it's also linked to the anti-inflammatory action of the mud's minerals and antioxidants. By reducing inflammation at the source, mud therapy can significantly decrease chronic pain associated with conditions like arthritis and fibromyalgia. But the impact goes even deeper. The experience of a warm, heavy mud pack is deeply calming to the nervous system. It shifts the body from the fight-or-flight sympathetic state to the rest and digest parasympathetic state. This shift has a direct influence on the neuroendocrine system, specifically the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which is our central stress response system. Chronic stress leads to the overproduction of hormones like cortisol, which can drive inflammation and disrupt numerous bodily functions. By promoting deep relaxation, mud therapy can help to down-regulate the stress response and support the rebalancing of these crucial hormones. This hormonal and nervous system regulation has a ripple effect on our immune system. A chronically stressed body often has a dysregulated immune response. By calming the nervous system and balancing stress hormones, mud therapy helps to foster a more stable and effective immune function. It's a truly holistic effect where soothing the body and mind leads to more robust and balanced physiological function on a systemic level. As we've seen throughout this presentation, mud therapy is a multifaceted treatment with a wide range of physiological benefits. So let's summarize its practical applications. Due to its potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, it is a valuable complementary therapy for managing chronic inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other musculoskeletal disorders. Its ability to strengthen the skin barrier and modulate the microbiome makes it highly effective for various dermatological issues, including psoriasis, eczema, and acne. Interestingly, by reducing systemic inflammation and supporting detoxification, it can also play a supportive role in managing certain metabolic conditions. Furthermore, its profound impact on the nervous and endocrine systems makes it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with chronic stress, anxiety, or burnout. It helps to reset the stress response and restore a sense of calm and balance. It is vital, however, to view mud therapy as a complementary modality. It works wonderfully alongside conventional medical treatments, but it is not a replacement for them. Safety is also paramount. The mud must be sourced from clean, unpolluted areas and be properly prepared and applied, typically by a trained professional, to avoid any adverse effects. In conclusion, pelioid therapy is more than just a simple spa treatment. It is a sophisticated, evidence-supported therapy that leverages the natural healing power of the earth. By simultaneously providing thermal, chemical, and biological benefits, it addresses inflammation, supports detoxification, relieves pain, and restores systemic balance, making it a truly holistic and valuable tool for modern health and wellness.